Hi, welcome back. Today I shall be discussing the C questions which are asked in GATE 2013, 2012 and 2011. So, let us get started. So, this is the question which is asked in GATE 2013. So, it is a C program is given a code. So, here we are asked to find out what does it return. What does it return when we have FPP, that is the function when it is initialized to 5. Okay. So, here we can see that this is the program, right. So, this is the program given to us. So, we can write here f of p comma p, right. So, as it is being initialized to 5, right. So, both will be 5. So, we can write f of 5 comma 5. Okay. So, then again coming to the slide, after that we have c is equal to c minus 1. So, this is your x and this is your c. So, c is equal to c minus 1 means your 5 minus 1, it is equal to 4. Okay. So, then your c is equal to 4. So, this condition it will be not satisfied. So, we have to go to this one, this statement x is equal to x plus 1. So, your x is equal to x plus 1. So, your x is 5. So, 5 plus 1 it is 6. Alright. Then coming to here, so f of x comma here it is, what is your c? Your c is 4. So, x into here it is x. So, right now I won't be writing the value for x. Okay. I won't be writing the value of x, I shall be only writing the value of c. Why? Because here this particular thing is mentioned, pass by reference, and this one is pass by value. So, you know that when it is passed by reference, so the value of x, you can see that when the value of x will be the one which is the final value of x, otherwise you will not get the desired result if you insert the value at this moment. If you insert the value of x equal to 6 at this moment, your answer may not be correct. So, just we will do this one and keep this value of x the later on. Okay. So, after that again this call for function of f x comma 4. So, when f of x comma 4, it will be you will get x comma 4. So, your c is equal to c minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and your x value. What is the value of x right now? It is 6. So, x plus 1 that is your 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So, your it will be it will be f of 7 comma 3 into x. Okay. Then, or you can write here 6 comma 4 also, here you can write it, but I will not put the value for this one. Here also I shall not write the value of x right now. I shall do it when I shall do the final execute, when the return value will be executed. Then again call for this function f of 7 comma 3. So, c is equal to your c minus 1, that is your 3 minus 1, it is 2. Your x is equal to x plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 1, it is 8. It is your 8. So, here it will be f of 8 comma 2 into x. So, when function call of this part is being done, I shall be going here, I am repeating this function as if x c is not equal to 0. So, we are not entering this part till now, just from here we are going here and we are returning it again. Okay. So, here f of 8 comma 2. Okay. So, f of 8 comma 2, it will be your c is equal to c minus 1, your c is what? 2. This is your c part, this is your x part. Okay. So, it is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 and your x is equal to 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, that is your x plus 1 I am doing. So, it is equal to 9. Then f of it will be 9 comma 1 into x. So, now again we have to do the function call for this one. So, f of 9 comma 1. So, f of 9 comma 1, your c is equal to c minus 1, that is 1 minus 1, it is 1 minus 1, it is 0. So, now your c is equal to 0. When c is, so what we will return? We will return 1. So, we will when c, so this your condition c is equal to 0, this condition is satisfied. So, what does it return? It return 1. Okay. So, when it returns 1, so here it will be 1 into x, it equal to x. Now, we are going in the backward direction. So, this is f of 9 comma 1 is equal to x. Then after that where we will go? We will go to this part. Okay. So, because this is giving this answer. So, for this one we are getting x. So, for this one x into x. So, this is the result for what? This is the result for this one, right. So, this one we will add here. Okay. So, this is x into from here this x. Okay. So, this one is the result for which one? This is the result for this one, or you can say 6 comma 4, right. So, this answer where we will place? We will place here. So, here it will be x into this x. So, here it will be x to the power 4. Okay. So, here you will get x to the power 4. Now, what is the last value of x when you had executed? So, this is the value of x, right, x is equal to 9. So, in case of pass by reference, x in all the earlier functions will be replaced by 9. So, your x into x into x into x, this is your x to the power 4 which you had got here. So, you can write 9 to the power 4, which is equal to 6561. So, from here this is your answer. Okay. So, you have to be very careful for this x value, as for this x, for this x, for this x, for this x, because here it is clearly mentioned as it is a pass by reference. Okay. So, as this is a pass by reference, so we cannot ignore its concept. Okay. So, from this question the answer it is 6561. Then coming to the next question. So, this question it is being asked in GATE 2012. So, here C programming is given segment, and here switch case is being used. Switch case is being used here, and it is a char character they had mentioned here. So, this is this one. So, as this is this data type declared here is character, and A is being the value stored there is A. So, when we write switch array, so it will be A. So, from A you will print what? You will print choice A. Then as there is no break statement, so you will continue to from case A to case B, as there is no break statement. But one thing you have to remember is that here slash, and that is for a new line it is given, means whatever answer you will get later on in this way, it will come in next line, not with this one. Okay, it will not come here. So, from case B, then coming to case C, choice B. So, choice B you will write here, then here no break statement, then coming to case D, case C, then default, as there is no slash n concept here. So, no choice will be also written in the same line. Okay. So, this is the answer. So, your answer is C for this question. So, coming to the next question. So, this is a C code given to us. So, here we have to find out what output will be generated by the given code. Okay. So, let us get started. So, here 3 variables, integer variables are being declared, 3 integer variables are being declared. Coming to the main, from main static int A. Okay. A static A is being declared as a static variable. Then coming to the function PRT fun. So, when this function is being called, we will go here. Okay. So, we will go from here. So, initially before static, before this function call, the value of A is equal to 1. So, the value of A is equal to 1. It is a static. Okay. Then this function is called. So, we will go here. So, here also A is being declared, and it is also being declared as static only. So, but it is within this function, this one is within this function. Okay. It is a local variable. So, what happens? So, here within the function, so your what is your value? Value is equal to 2 is being declared, and value of B is equal to 1, it is declared. Then your formula is A is equal to A plus B, means pre-increment of B value. So, your A is 2, as it is being from here we are taking, plus plus B means plus plus B, so plus plus 1, so it is 2. So, 2 plus 2 it is 4. After that printf A B. So, what is your value, what is the value of A and what is the value of B? The value of A is your 4, value of A is equal to 4 and value of B, B is equal to 2. So, your printf it will be A B, your value 4 2, this is the first answer, means first output. After that we will come here, A is equal to A plus 1. So, we will come here A is equal to A plus 1, but this value of A will be this one, because here this is only limited to this particular function. Okay. So, here this A it will take this value. So, it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, because here the local static A is taken, then again function call PRT fun. So, again we will go to this function call. Okay. So, here now when you will go to PRT fun, the value of A is equal to 4 here. Why? Because the previous value of the function is retained, previous value of the function here what you have done here, it is retained because here static it is being declared. So, A is equal to 4 and your B is equal to 1. Okay. Then you are putting in the formula A plus B, your it will be 4 plus your plus B is equal to plus 1, it is 2. So, 4 plus 2 it is 6. So, what is the printf now? Value of A is 6, value of B is equal to 2. So, it will be 6, it will be 2, that is the printf output from this function. Okay. Then after that, after this one, where we, as this one is done, so we will go here. Okay. So, here we will take this value. So, what was that value? That value is 2. And what is B? B will be 0 because it is only being locally declared here, within this function only it is being declared here. So, your A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 0 in the printf. So, your first output is 4 comma 2. So, B and C both are giving 4 comma 2 and 4 comma 2, right. Then second is 6 comma 2. So, your second is 6 comma 2 in option C, and next is 2 comma 0. So, your answer for this question is C. Okay. Then coming to the next question. This question is also similar to the previous one, but a condition is given here that if the line 1 is replaced by auto int is equal to A and line 2 is replaced by register int A. What does it mean? It means that here we are giving a static, right, this one we are giving a static. So, here it will be your auto and in place of this static it will be registered. Okay. So, so we have to proceed with the similar way. So, we have to proceed in the similar way. So, here your A is equal to 1, all right. So, we can do in the next slide. So, here a is equal to 1. Okay. Then function call. So, we will go here. Okay. So, here instead of static it will be register int a. So, under the function, so your a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Same formula for a plus b. So, here 2 plus 2 it is equal to 4. So, coming to printf a b. So, your a is equal to 4 we got, and b is equal to, as we had done, plus b. So, plus 1 it comes 2. Okay. So, the value of a b is equal to 4 comma 2, means for a it is 4 and for b it is 2. So, this is the first output. Okay. Then after that we will come to this one, a is equal to a plus 1. So, a is equal to a plus 1. So, a is equal to a plus 1. So, 1 plus 1 it is 2. Okay. So, as it is auto, so it will not store the previous value, it will not store the previous value. Okay. So, it will remain the one which is being declared as auto int a is equal to 1. Then the function is being called. So, we will go here again. So, now here this is instead of static it will be register. So, as it is register, so in case of register, when you start this function, execution of this function, it will not store the previous value of a, it will store the one which is currently being declared. So, here your value of a will be 2 only and b is equal to 1. So, a is equal to a plus b. So, here 2 plus 2 as plus b, it will be 2. So, here it will be 4. So, when we do the printf, it will be 4 and 2. Okay. Then, so then if you go with this one here, printf a b. So, what is the value of a? Your value of a is equal to, from here it is 2, right. So, value of a is equal to 2 and b it is not being updated. So, b will be 0. So, your answer will be, so your answer will be 4 2. So, b, c and d, the all option, the first output is 4 2, then second output is your 4 2. So, from here the second output option D satisfied 4 2 and final answer is 2 0. So, D is your final answer for this given question. Then coming to the next question. So, this is a question which is being asked in GATE 2011. So, in this fragment of C program, so here we are asked that after executing this particular fragment, from which part of this one it will start executing. Okay. So, let us first make a array where we will be storing this GATE 2011. So, GATE so it is in this way. Okay. So, and as you know, it starts from 0 the location. So, it will be in this way. Okay. now pointer P. So, P will be pointing at this location. Now, so now after that see here, this is the formula. So, your formula is P plus P3 minus P1. Okay. So, your P pointer P plus what is P of 3? P of 3, this is E. So, E minus P of 1, it is A. So, now P plus E minus A. So, as per ASCII insertion list, how they had they had done, not in array, we can write as A is termed as 1, B is termed as 2, C 3, D 4, E 5, F 6, so on, Z 26. Okay, so here it is your E is 5, your A is 1. So, 5 minus 1, it is 4. So, when P plus 4 we say, so means P plus 4, it will be now pointing at this location. So, this is the fragment from this part, it will be in the print. So, from P to this fourth location. So, the answer is this one 2011. Okay. Coming to the next question. Okay. So, now we are going to discuss question number 49. So, here a recursive C function is given and this function it is being declared here. So, this is for your n, this is for your r. Okay. Now, f00 345 comma 10. So, this is your n, right, this is your r. So, your n is greater than 0. Okay. So, when your n is greater than 0, we will be placing in this formula. So, when we will be placing in this formula, what will be the answer? It will be your 345 modulo r, your r is 10 plus f00 345 divided by 10 comma 10. So, here it will be 5 plus f00 34 comma 10. Now, coming to this one, so it will be f00 34 comma 10. So, your 34 is greater than 0. So, 34 modulo 10 plus f00 34 divided by 10 comma 10. So, 34 modulo 10, it will be here 4 plus it will be f00 3 comma 10. Now, then again this function call. So, your f00 3 comma 10, your 3 is greater than 0, then 3 modulo 10 plus f00, it will be 3 divided by 10 comma 10. So, here it will be 3, okay. So, it will be 3 plus f0 comma 10. Okay. So, when it is f0 comma 10, your 10 is not greater than 0. So, this condition fails. So, what we will return? We will return 0. So, f0 comma 10 is 0. So, coming here it will be 3 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Okay. So, this is the value for what? This one. So, here we will be placing here. So, 4 plus 3 it is equal to 7. So, this is the answer for what? This one. So, then 5 plus 7 it is 12. So, here we can see that finally it had given the return value 12. So, the answer for this question is 12. Okay. So, coming to the next question. So, here we can see that a C fragment is given to us, and we need to find out what does it return, what is the return value. So, and for here it is given 513, 2. So, here 513, 2. So, this is your N, this is your R. Okay. So, your N, that is 513 is greater than 0, then your answer it will be, you will be implementing here. So, here you will 513 modulo R, R is your 2 plus F double O N, N is 513 divided by 2, 2. So, here your it will be 1 plus double O, it will be 256, 2. Okay. Then checking for this one, what it will be? 256 greater than 0. 256 greater than 0. So, again you will place in the formula modulo 3 modulo 2 plus F double O, then it will be 256 divided by 2, 2. So, it equal to 0 plus F double O is 128, 2. Then coming to the next slide, next portion. So, 128 again you will divide. So, 128 when you will divide. So, 128 it is greater than 0. So, it will be 0 plus F double O, it will be 64, 2, because I am writing the same means I am putting in the same formula. Okay. Then and repeating it again, then for 64 it will be 64 greater than 0, then it will be your 0 plus F double O 32, 2, then 32 greater than 0, it will be 0 plus F double O 16, 2, then 16 greater than 0, 0 plus F double O 8, 2, 8 greater than 0, 0 plus F double O 4, 2, then 4 greater than 0, 0 plus F double O, it will be 2, 2. Then when 2 greater than 0, it will be 0 plus F double O 1, 2. Then 1 greater than 0, it will be your 1 plus F double O 0, 2. Okay. Now, what is your F double O 0, 2? It is 0. So, here it will be 1 plus 0 to 1. Okay. Then coming here, it will be 0 plus 1, 1. coming here, what it will be, because it is 0. So, 0 plus 1 it is 1, then again coming here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, again coming here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then again coming here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then again coming here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then coming here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That one, this one, it will be for this one. So, it will be 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, then this value, this one. So, 1 plus 1 it is your 2. So, the answer for this question is 2. Okay. So, with this I would like to conclude with today's video. I hope you had understood. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, bye bye.